Pasta making from the allotment lifestyle. So first we take a ball of dough about the size of your hand, and that's enough for 2 servings. I'm going to roll out this dough to fit through the number 1 setting on my pasta machine. Now unfortunately I didn't roll it out enough and I'm struggling to get it through the machine, but these things happen, don't worry about it. Your dough should be quite firm, and if you keep lightly flouring it, then you should have no problems. If it starts to stick, then you need to do something about this, because it can end up as a real nightmare. Now all I'm doing is I'm just passing the dough through the machine from roller position 1 to roller position 8. This closes the rollers slightly each time, and we get an incremental thinning of the dough and lengthening of the dough as well. So you might be thinking, why would I even bother to make my own pasta? Well, it's economical. It costs about 15 pence per serving. It tastes much better than shop bought dried pasta, and it can be used frozen, so it's a great way to store your allotment free range eggs. So as you can see, we're passing it through the machine. It doesn't take that long, but keep lightly flouring your dough and you should be okay. So we are, this is number 8 setting, and as you can see, we're going to end up with quite a length. And if you've never done this before, it can be quite it can be difficult to handle, but this is what it looks like anyway. So when we take it out, we should be able to just open it up, and then all we'll do is just lightly flour it. So once I've done that, I'm going to add my cutting tool to the pasta machine, and this tool has 2 rollers, one for tagliatelle and one for spaghetti. Today we're going to be making tagliatelle. So with this long piece of pasta, I'm going to cut it in half because it makes it much easier to handle, and it makes it easier to eat too. And then I'm going to pass it through the tagliatelle rollers, and you'll see just how easy this is. Here we go. Now, as you can see at the bottom, there's all your tagliatelle coming out. Very easy to do. And what I'll do now is I'll just scoop it up, put it on the work surface, sprinkle some flour over it just to keep it separate, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge, because if it gets warm it tends to stick together. And that's about it. Allotment lifestyle. You can find more information on our website.